the hell is this?
It's a TV remote.
Why am I looking at it?
You told me to take something. I hate it when I can't find my remote.
You're joking, right? This has got to be a joke.
No, man. You wasn't Pacific. You said to take something and you hooked me up.
He owes $2,000. You were supposed to take something valuable.
I just thought you was trying to intimidate him.
How in the hell? This isn't gonna work. I need you to go back in there and take something valuable.
No, man, no. This ain't right. I ain't no thief. Look, man, I get a bad feeling about this. I mean, I hate to bring it up, but you know, you owe me a free one after what I saw. Yeah, you know what I saw.
Okay. I'll hook you up. I'll hook you up for free, but I need you to take this. I need you to go back in there and return it.
I don't want to go back in there. I mean, besides, it's kind of funny, you know. Damn, I can't find my remote.
Look. We're right here. You were in and out before. You'll be back in 5 minutes.
No. Oh, shit, man. All that for me?
The whole bag. I'll give you a quarter. You guys take that back inside.
No, man, I won't have.
Fine. Just hurry up. Fuck. No. I don't want to hear it. Okay, I don't want to hear it. Look, just be grateful he's coming back. Okay? I'm going to tell you one thing. Okay, if that fucking junkie walks out of there alive, you're going to have a hell of a lot more to worry about than $2 fucking grand. Yeah. Fucking addicts.